Hey everyone, welcome to this quick guide on how to unsubscribe from Google Groups even if you don't have an email from the group. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to Google Groups. Make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account. After that, once you are on the home page, look at the left hand menu and click on My Groups. This will show a list of the Google Groups you are currently a part of. Click on it. After that, look at the left hand menu, click My Membership Settings, and from the option, choose Leave Group. A pop up will ask you to confirm. Just click Leave or Yes, Leave Group, and you are all set. You have now successfully unsubscribed from the group, and you won't receive any more emails from them. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips.